So in this video, you'll learn how to change the region and time zone on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select General Management. From here, tap on Date and Time, and then the next step is to simply disable Automatic Time Zone. Once you've done that, you can now create and set your own custom region and time zone. So tap on Select Time Zone, choose region, and you can choose a random region that you want or the region that you originally wanted and select it. Once it's been selected, you'll notice that your device will automatically change to suit the region as well as the time zone that you've just chosen. You'll notice some regions do come with multiple time zones. So for example, if you choose something like Brazil, then you will be prompted to choose a time zone for you to use. So go ahead, choose a time zone. And once you've done that, again, you can see the changes appearing in your system. So this concludes with the date, if it's applicable, as well as the time. If you want to change the time zone, you can always just go back, tap on time zone, and change it to something different. And so that's how you can change the region and time zone of your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.